JewelDistribution.com.
JewelDistribution.com?
That's it, JewelDistribution.com.
Art pens. Green, they left.
I would too. Said I would have too.
Let's go. What's the website? No website. No website. Pretty good. Another website?
80stixx.com. Little sticks. Yes, sir.
What up? You got a website?
What's up, guys? How are you? Yeah,
What up? We're getting every booth here. Every booth, every product for CHAMPS.
I like that. Let's get it.
Black.com, you can pick.
Oh, okay.
Sir, yes, sir.
Attention, chip show floor. We'd like to congratulate Smoking Rain Shows.
You got a website?
Smoking Rain Smoke Shop. Owner, Christopher Luger, you are our Danny winner, $5,000 giveaway. Once again, Curtis Ripper from Smoking Rain Smoke Shop.
Yeah, man.
You are our day one winner. Congratulations.
I hope the lower level's like half the size.
There's a whole section we haven't even touched it.
What?
That's the escalator.
Oh. Fuck. Alright. We're making it. Shall we?
Got this one?
Yeah, we're doing it. Thank you.
You have a website?
Yeah, we do.
What's the website?
Right here. Where is it?
EverestTrades.com?
Yeah. Sorry, I just do the trade account.
No, that's
They're
cool.
the ones in charge of the store. But here, here's the number.
Okay.
If you are interested in any class, give them a call and we got everything you need.
Thank you. Shall we?
I like it. They're fucking nice as shit. I was like, you guys are fucking idiots. You're gonna leave. Because they're selling it retail for like $6.
Hello, how are you?
Y'all got a website?
We do.
Yeah, I'll tuck in and shall we? Thank you. I was like, agreed? No. know what dank smoke is. I'm gonna do a turn right now.
You got a website? Website? And all this is available on there?
Thank you.
What's that? Okay.
It's our catalog.
Sure, I'll take it.
Show it.
They chow down.
Yeah.
You don't even finish.
Where's the Magosa?
Huh?
So where's the Magosa? Samosa.
That's on some other shit. Yeah. I'm gonna need to hit this water pretty soon. But keep going.
I can just walk slower while you do a slap of water.
Nah, 'cause it's like,
Yeah, right. You're like.
and then for me, I gotta take off my gloves. So it's kind of weird. You know?
I like the little snap phone. Yeah.
Y'all got a website?
Hi, how are you? Shall it? Oh shit, I didn't even see the middle stuff. Alright, let's do it. So now we'll be able to do this left side.
Okay. You have a website? Do you have a website?
Yeah.
hopscotching now. You want to go ask him the website?
This your website? Astro CHAMPS. Right on. All of this is
What up? We're from Arizona, Phoenix.
What do you guys do?
I'm making a video every product, every food at CHAMPS.
Oh, okay.
What's your website?
It's hempvariety.com. We got the biscotti, we got the gumbo, we got 3 other flavors. And we also have a retail store in
Hello, how are you? I am excellent. Get their
Where are
website.
you guys from?
Arizona? Y'all got a website?
Yes, we do. Greenpayment.com. Yeah. We do credit card processing, smokehouse, smoke shop processing for all smoke shops.
Cool.
Right.
Right on.
Instant approval. Smoke shop in your business for 1 year on instant approval.
What about online?
Online too.
Let's go. All right. I'm talking tomorrow. Right on.
What's your name? Frankie. Yeah.
Keep going.
Come back and see.
What up? You got a website?
Alright, we'll have to figure out how to slide back down this way. Right.
I just do a big circle on the left. Because we've been skipping on the right already.
Right. So yeah, we'll be skipping back. I think we got.
Y'all got a website?
We got.
We do. It's theducedistribution.com.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah. No, I said yeah. Sorry. I was spacing out.
You have a website?
Huh?
When we get to the end, then I'll do it. Right back.
Right. And then I'll sit there and I'll stretch and shit.
How you guys doing?
Hi there.
Right over here. We do a lighter fitness minute.
Because we're almost to the end. Alright, I think we're on this booth right here. Oh, here, should I stop or deposit?